Hi, hon.
Hi, Lorraine.
What's happening? We're all ready now. The water's boiling. We put the oil in the pots, and I stirred the sauce. And I'll see you when you come, whenever you come back. Love you. Grandpa's parents were the ones that taught me Italian food because I never knew anything about Italian food before. This was new to me and I loved it. I get cans that don't have any dents in them. But everyone keeps requesting lasagna, lasagna. The best part of it is eating it. I sometimes use the whole head of it, the whole garlic. I'm just going to put a little oil at the bottom. I'm going to slice them in half. Because when I put them in a frying pan, I put them down this way. I brown some of it, and then I also leave some in there for cooking. Can you smell it? And while they're browning, for each can that I open up, I'm putting 2 cans of water, so it's going to be 4 cans of water that's going into the pot. I'm putting the rest of the garlic in now. You have to count how many bay leaves you put in the sauce, because you don't want it when people are eating their meal that they're eating leaves, which is dangerous. The sauce now, as it's cooking, you have to taste it to see if it's either too salty or too, needs some spice in it. Now we're going for the sugar now. Part sugar and part salt, the same amount. Put Bertola oil. I'm extra light here.
You still have fun making this?
Yes, I do. It's just that I'm getting shorter. Everything is a little, that I have to tiptoe for certain things. And when I know that I have to, make for a large group, it's a nice feeling. Now this is sausage, sweet Italian sausage, that I'm going to be adding also. It's just browning them, not cooking them, but cooking is going to be happening in the sauce. Just have to let it cook now for the next 4 hours. It's sweet, isn't it?
It's sweet, yeah.
Yeah.
So
we have to add some spice to make it hot.
Yeah.
Use a little more salt. I would say about another hour it should be ready. And since we just put the pepper in there now, the 2 different types of peppers in there, and a little more salt, it might add some more spice to it before it was too sweet before that. Well, actually, today is another day because we had the, are you going? We had the sauce overnight. We couldn't do the lasagna all at one time, so the sauce has to settle down. So we did it for 4 hours cooking. It came out very good. And this morning, I took out the sausages out of the sauce, so it would be easy to work around the thing. And also, I counted the amount of bay leaves I put into the sauce.
Oh, right. It was
You have to make sure
5 or 6?
No, 6 of them.
Okay.
So you have to make sure you take them out of the sauce so people doesn't, they're not eating it with their sauce.
Did you eat all the lasagna? Because I don't smell it anymore.
It's not even cooked yet.
The plan now is I'm going to turn the water on for boiling the lasagna. I put some oil in the water so when the lasagna goes in there, it doesn't get stuck together. And also helps it to boil faster too. Here. A little bit to break the nails. I take 3 at a time. 3 goes in that way, 3 another way like that. I'll put another 3 this way, and then another 3 that way. I usually have it in there for about 15 minutes. Cold water, put it in here just to cool it down. When the lasagna is cooked, I put them around here to drain off. take some sauce just to moisten the bottom of the thing. Take my first piece of lasagna right here. 3 of them fit in here actually like this. Take the spatula, sauce in here now. Go to mozzarella. We sprinkle a little cheese on it. Now we go for the next layer. Now this one is going this way now. And notice the cook doesn't taste anything yet.
I was just gonna ask that.
I'll put a 400. Start. The toothpick is to, when I put the foil paper over it, so the foil paper, if you just put foil paper down, it would get stuck to the cheese. This way it keeps it from off the cheese. Okay.
Okay, so how long is it in the oven for?
A half hour. Whoa. See it, Ashley?
Looks great.
Let me get my solo in here.
The next day, Ashley, it's when it's much firmer. Right now, it's still soft.
Okay, so now watch. Ashley, I'm gonna
But we
go,
don't want to soup it, Joe.
I'm gonna go,
No, this is going to be very skimpy with it
I'm gonna
now.
go rogue now.
You need more than that. But it's being skimpy. Joe, you don't want to separate the things either.
It's a lot of pressure here.
I know. I'm getting sloppy. I dropped a few pieces.
Well, as time goes on, you'll learn.
I'm not planning to participate much more.